Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about character manipulation function. We learn about concat function, length function, substr, also called substring function, both used in Snowflake. Here I am using free trial Snowflake account. How to set up free trial Snowflake account? I already prepared video on this. You can check from my playlist. Okay. One request, viewer, please subscribe the channel. Also gives thumbs up if you like content of video. It's really help to grow the channel. Here I am using Snowflake sample data and tpch underscore sf1 for our example. So let's start with customer table. Concat function is used to concatenate two or more string or column. It's give output as we order the column or string. So here I am select star from customer table, limit it to 10 for our brevity. Control enter to run the query. I want to concate customer name and customer address. So apply concat function. C underscore name, comma, I want some space between column. So single quote. After that comma, and in between single quote give some space and C address. Give it some alias name like customer info. If I run this query by control enter, we concate the customer name and customer address to one column. Okay. You can also use concatenate operator. For example, here remove comma and double pipe. Remove comma and double pipe. You can use concatenate operator also. If I run this query, you can see same result. Okay. Now let's move to length function. Length function is used to obtain the number of character in a string or a column. So first select star from customer, limit it to 10, control enter to run the query. I want to calculate the number of character from C underscore address column. So right here C underscore address. After that I apply length function. C underscore address. It's calculate the number of character in a column like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Then it's give 10 length. Here 16 character, here 28 character, like this 35 character. Okay. Now let's move to substring function. Substring function is used to extract the substring from the given string. For example, I want to give it select substr, like give it Snowflake SQL. Here I want to start with first position and number of length, like Snowflake has 8 character, give it 8 character, 8 here. If you control enter to run, you can show here the 8 character. If you I take ninth character, 9 here, the here you can see here the 9 letter, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, it is the starting position and it is the number of character. If I remove, let's take another example. If I remove here, I want to start from 10, means 9 this and 10 here, and remove last is a optional keyword, so remove it. Then it's take end of the character by default. Okay, now let's take example from table. Limit it to 10. Here I want to extract the customer from customer name, CNAME table column. Okay, so I apply here substring function because both substr substring function both are same in Snowflake. So here take C underscore name. Want to start from first position, not in single quote, and number of character 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then here write 8 from customer table. Limit it to 5. Now you can see here I extract the substring from the C underscore name column. Okay, if I want to start from, you can take call C underscore name for our reference purpose. I want to start from here to end of the character, so here start with 10 and remove it 8. Now I start from here after hash to extract end of the character. So by using substring we can extract the number of character from substring. Okay, that's all about in this video. Please subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.